Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the future of digital marketing and some exciting Google Analytics trends to watch. So, let's dive right in. Google Analytics has evolved over the years, providing marketers with valuable insights to refine their strategies. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, it's only going to get better. One trend to watch is the rise of predictive analytics. With the ability to forecast user behavior, search queries will become vital for optimizing digital marketing efforts. Data control and privacy settings, ensuring compliance with regulations and building trust with customers. Finally, Google Analytics is focusing on real-time analytics. Marketers can now get instant access to data, helping them make timely decisions and optimize their campaigns on the go. That's all for now. We hope you're